Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Following up on last night's theme and other parts that we've done this week, we're going to focus on a color again, and this time it will be gold. And why did I pick gold? Well, gold represents a desire to understand your own soul better, to have knowledge and spiritual growth. And I'm playing with my mic because it keeps hitting my chin. So today the focus will be on absorbing the color gold and the qualities that come through gold, through the divine, through the color gold to us. And after we get into our quiet place, you find yourself drifting a little, just bring yourself back to the color and feel what you sense or believe it feels like, to have it running through your body, renewing your soul, giving you a deeper understanding. So as always, we start with the Lord's Prayer and a prayer of protection. If you know them, please say them with me. If not, repeat them after me. Protection's always number one. We'll go into a simple guided meditation where we're going to pull the color into our bodies and allow it to just be there in silence. At the end of the silence, we'll ring the chimes so as not to jolt you out of a quiet place, and we will close with the 23rd Psalm. For those who don't know, I'm Nora Truscello. Visit me at intointuition.com. I'd love to get to know you. Let's get started. We're going to take a deep breath and just let it out and relax and close your eyes when you're ready. Take another deep breath and begin scanning your body and looking for any tension, any blocks. And when you find something, invite it to let go and release, and invite your body to go even deeper. As we finish scanning through our body, we come to the center, right to the solar plexus, which is about 3 inches above your belly button. And we notice the beautiful stream of light and energy that is always flowing through us. We see it coming through our head, all the way down our feet. And we just step into that divine light. And we're going to use that light to propel ourselves upward so that we may grab on to a beautiful color of gold that is just above our body. This gold is filled with knowledge and understanding of us specifically. So let us follow up the energy of our body into our heart and let gratitude for this moment propel us forward into our throat, into our head, and imagine your arms are reaching up and you invite yourself to arise. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker. As we reach up to this divine gold color, light texture, we just hold on to a piece of it, grab on, and let's bring it back into our bodies. And as we're pulling on the one piece down, the whole color flows into our head. Feel the gold color with all its gifts filling your head, making it softer, making it wiser with understanding, moving into your neck, unblocking yourself so that the divine will may be done in this moment, into our bodies, our legs and our feet. And we're just filled up now with this beautiful gold. And just let it expand through your entire body, filling you totally. Excuse me for that. We are recording something on the other side, and I apologize for that interruption. Bring yourself, and I don't know why I can't get it to stop, but just bring yourself right back. It's an awesome opportunity to just breathe and let it go. We are often interrupted in our peacefulness, and we just bring ourselves back to center, feeling the gold, feeling the expansion, feeling it around us, in us, around us, being grateful, and we will sit silently in this color of gold that is bringing us knowledge, spirituality, and an understanding of ourselves on a deep soul level. As we allow this color to stay within us for as long as it needs to assist us in adjusting to a deeper understanding of our soul's growth, we bring our attention back into our physical being. And we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Nothing like a little interruption to train you to jump right back into the meditation. I was able to go right back in, and I hope you were too. Uh, I last night forgot to record the episode, and so to get it on the YouTube, I had the system recording. Didn't know it would start playing. But I hope that you were able to jump right back in. The goal is when you are disturbed, even during your day, from what you were doing, is not to let that disturbance now be in control of you. You are in control of the way you respond to that disturbance. Have an awesome day, and I really look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye now.